Hey guys, it's Shannon, Simply Shannon here. So I have a little unboxing collection here. Obviously, I'm still in the dark room. I'm sitting at my desk. Like I said, I know we're getting ready to, I keep saying we're getting ready to paint, which we really are, but it's a long day. Just came home from work. As you can see, this is a work face. It's a little tired and a little disheveled and it's tiring. But it is Friday and I want to get on here and just film a couple unboxings with you real quick. So the first one I'm going to show you, I've already opened and been using, but it is amazing and I want to show you guys. So I purchased the Bunny Graveyard Girl and Bellami, I think it's Bellami collection. Let me show you guys this. This is her hair tools. It comes in, first of all, I love this case. I think this case is amazing. I think it's great. It's so nice to actually have this. So I open it up. I had to zip it for you guys. Okay. So you open it up and it comes, look at this. I love how this is. So this is where the hairdryer would go. I have that. That's the part I've been using. But you get two clips, you get a comb, you get the hairdryer, and then down here you get your straightener, which is right there. You get three wands and then the attachment. So what I'm going to show you is I do have the warranty and the safety notes and all that kind of stuff and what it contains. So I'm going to read that to you real quick. So the Bellamy and Graveyard Girl 3-in-1 curler set. So it comes with the rainbow titanium barrel of a 25, a 32, and then the corkscrew. The digital temperature display. Okay, that's all the rainbow barrel and the three things. And then you get the blow dryer. There's two different attachments. And then you get the flat styler iron, so your flat iron, heat resistant glove, and two clips. Heat resistant glove? Hold on, did I get a heat resistant glove? Oh, I did get a heat resistant glove. Ow! See, I ain't used that part yet. So I got this because I'm growing my hair out. If you guys hadn't known, I am growing my hair out. So I want to be able to curl it and to have all this. And for the price, you guys, this whole thing was only 150 bucks. So that right there, I think is amazing. But let me show you this hairdryer because is it not the coolest? So take this part off here. You got the eyes of the gator because you guys know she's all about her gators. And oh, you guys, I love this. I is so pleasantly surprised how much I actually like it. I use it every day to blow dry my hair. Of course, my hair's a mess today because I've been working. But you guys, I highly recommend this. The whole thing, like I said, was $150, which I think is amazing because you can't even get a good blow dryer for that price. So you get the blow dryer, the flat iron, and then the handle plus the three wands. So, like I said, and then all the extra little goodies too. So I just want to throw that out there. Sorry about that. I love it, and I'm very excited about it. Okay, so the next two things I have are some unboxings. Now, I signed up for Boxy Charm once I moved to Michigan because I could never get it in Alaska. So I have my Boxy Charm box. Now, I know everybody does Boxy Charm unboxings. I see them all the time. Trust me, I know. But I'm going to do one, but I'm always going to kind of incorporate it with something else. But just because I've never got it before, I'm so excited. I know you guys can watch tons of Boxy Charm videos and you probably already do. But I really wanted to give my take on it for a while because I never got one before. So I got a Boxy Charm. So we're going to open it up. First thing is I got the little card. Tells you how much it is and that kind of thing. So I will do that. But the first thing is the Pretty Vulgar. I've heard about this brand. It sounds like it's kind of hit or miss. Packaging's cute. I've heard, all the ones I've seen. I've never actually seen this brand. I don't know if it's an online only brand. But it's pretty, their packaging is great. I will say it feels cheap. It feels very plasticky, but the packaging's so cute. Now the color, on the other hand, that's a little bright. So we're going to swatch it. Of course, when you put it on your cheeks, you can really diffuse it out. Oh, that might not be too bad, actually. I might be able to pull the pink off. But, so Pretty Vulgar. Everything about Boxy Charm is full size, which that I really like. This right here goes for $26. So the box is only $21. Just saying. Next thing is South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. So I'm assuming you get 9. Yeah, 3 sets so of gel packs. So I will definitely use those because as you can see, these eyes look tired. Tired. So as you guys know, I do these unedited now. I do one takes. I just film. I upload. I usually don't link anything in the description. I will link the site to get the bunny set and the Boxy Charm, and then the other one I'm going to do. So I will link those at least so you guys can look into them, okay? The next thing is the Bellami Voluming Mascara. Let's take a look at this. I don't know if I've ever had anything from Bellami before. I'm going to go ahead and open this because either I'm going to use it or I'm going to give it to Vic. Oh, I kind of like that brush. It's very skinny. It is a full... Excuse me. Excuse me, pardon me. It is a kind of a... I usually like the little silicone-y kind of ones. This is more fuller brush, but I'll definitely try it. So, by Bellami, and this is, how much does this go for? This goes for $20 for theirs. So, there we go. Oh, and the gel mask, or the little, the little under eyes, these are $10. So, that's what these ones are by South Main. Okay. Next thing, we have some, brushes. The Vintage Cosmetic Company. I don't know much about these. I've seen them when I used to work at Ulta. We had some stuff of theirs. So I'm familiar with the brand, but I have no idea about their products. And I'm going to have to destroy the box to get into it, but that's okay. So, let's see. I'm trying. It's a good thing and it's a bad thing that it's taped, I guess. All right. Here we go. We get them. Oh, this is so cute. So it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and then step 3, go girl go. It's very cute little brush set. Oh, sorry. Very cute little brush set. So we have this nice little slanted one, more of a packer honor, and then a little shader one. Very, very cute. I'll definitely give these a shot. Actually, I might give these to Vic because I always know Vic needs some brushes for mascaras or for eyeshadows. So I think Vic might get those only because I just bought some new ones. So that's nice. So very, very cute. Use your shadow brush, angled brush, and the smudger brush. So yeah, very cute. Throw that away. We got a card here for 25% off Butter London on your next purchase. I'll save this. I usually don't order Butter London too much, but you never know. And then the brush set, let's see, those vintage brushes were $23.15. Wow. For 3 brushes. And the next thing is, I think this is a palette. This is Boxy Charm and Pure. So right on there, let me take it out of this here real quick. One thing I like about Pure is they are cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan-friendly. So I don't know if that means vegan, but vegan-friendly, I'm assuming it would be. Let's see what we got in here. Nice little eyeshadow palette. Oop, I have a little bit of crumbage. Let me see. Hold on. Stand by. Stand by. I'm going to have to put it and dust it over here real quick. Okay. Looks like one of mine got a little beat up a little bit, but very, very pretty. So this one here kind of got some crumbs in it. Got into this one. But for the most part, it's very, very pretty. Wow, I like those colors. Let me see how I feel about this blue. Ooh, that's pretty. A little glittery. Not too bad. Hold on, I'll show you some swatches here. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. So, very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right, and that palette retails for $36. So obviously, definitely, you get a lot of bang for your buck with Boxy Charm, and that's one thing I like about it. Like I said, I always wanted to get this, but I never could, being where I was located. So I'm kind of excited now to get it. Sorry, I just threw that in the garbage, and it was probably a little loud, but that was the Boxy Charm. The last one I got, I've gotten this before. This isn't one I usually like to unbox on camera because they're just sheet masks. But I wanted you guys to be known about this. Like I said, I love this. I used to get this for about 6 months, I think, when I was in Alaska before I moved. So this is Facetory. This is a sheet mask company or subscription box. You can pick between 4 to 7 sheet masks. I get the 7 because I usually end up doing them with Victoria or that kind of thing. So I end up sharing them with her. So I get the Luxe box, the March 7 Luxe. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you what you get. I believe this box is $14. And the mask, let's see, 4, 7, 3, 4, 16, 21. I mean, I'm getting almost a $30 value for the sheet mask, so I'm going to go through and show you. The first one we got is the Water Bomb Jelly Mask. So I love jelly masks. I don't like to necessarily touch them to get them on my face, but then I love them. So the Water Bomb Jelly Mask, it says, get ready to bomb your skin with this Bearsome Water Bomb Jelly Mask in da-da-da-da-da. So it's for pore care is what it says. So pore care, it's apple mint and lime with jelly essence. So there we go. The next one is the green tea hydroloric acid, I believe. Hydroloric essence mask. Hello, man, I just can't talk to you guys. It's a rough day. But there's a second one there. Okay, let's see what that one is for. This sheet mask uses 8 active ingredients to make sure your skin is hydrated, soothed, and refined. Okay, I love this one. I had one of these that had before, but look at this little face on it with the little lips. I just love that. So obviously this is the March of a lot of St. Patrick's Day stuff. This one here is the OKA, and it's also a pore care mask. Okay. Next one, ooh, this is gorgeous. The next one is the Frenvita Perfect Skin Adhesion White Gold Glow Mask. So it's going to have a little glow or a little bit of, it's going to leave your skin nice and glowy, I would assume, with one of their gold sheet masks. Next one we have are the AC Calming System Mask. I love to do these, especially after a day where I've put on a lot of makeup or I just did makeup and took it off and I need to calm my face. I love those, let me tell you. The next one I'm very excited about. When I saw this one, I got super excited. It is the Beltune Decorum, Aurora Eucalyptus Mask, okay? It says, smell the aroma of eucalyptus as you take in all the goodness of this multi-beneficial sheet mask. This sheet mask uses eucalyptus leaves oil, traditionally used in Australia to make you feel like nature is right at your door. I'm thinking this, the days I'm having super allergy attacks or maybe sinus problems, I'm thinking of putting this puppy on, going in a dark room, and oh, I'm very excited about doing that one. And the last one is one of these 2-step masks. So it's a hydrating 2-step mask, and it has green grape, aloe, raspberry, blueberry, and blackberry. So the mask right here is perfectly dry. You kind of infuse these together. So you would take this off and infuse it together. You like push it through. And then you saturate your mask and then put your mask on that way. So that's what the 2-step mask looks like right there. So like I said, guys, I will leave the information for this down below as well. But I love Facetory. As soon as I got my mailing address situation and everything, I couldn't wait to sign back up for Facetory because I do love a good sheet mask, guys. So that is what I got for you today. Like I said, I will leave the links for Boxy Charm, Facetory, and the hair system in the comments below. Like I said, I know I usually don't edit, but I will put those in there for you guys. If you guys have any questions about these or any other subscription boxes I get or anything, please let me know. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day or your weekend or the beginning of your week, whenever you're watching this, guys. I hope it brings you some kind of joy. I will see you in another video, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.